Yeah, this is the music. What do you feel in the music of the reggae music? The reggae music from Africa. The reggae music from Africa. My name is BENARD ASANTE. I'm a black man. I'm from Africa. Africa. I'm a Ghanaian. I'm nationality Ghana. Many things going wrong. What do you looking? Let me tell it through for you. You search the thing, but that thing is the difficult about you. You see the Rastaman, the Rastafara, the Rastajack, Rastaman, Rastacook, Jafire, the Rastimira. Who is the Jack? The Jack is the God. The Jack is the God. You feel the reggae music? The reggae is music. It's the shrine. Yes, the one. Mr. Bernard. The all Jamaica peoples from Africa. The black Americans from Africa. Any black man from Africa. Let me tell the truth for you. If you look, if you check it, anything you find, you have got it. If you feel me or you check me, mention my name, Mr. Bernard. The culture is alive. White peoples to become Africa. White peoples to become Africa. To stealing the Africa things. To blood of the Europe. It is not finished. It takes the black peoples to block the black peoples in Europe. To take the peoples of the slaves. That is the thing. It is the wrong about the African people's leaders. The African people's leaders is a very stupid things. Let me tell the truth for everybody. Mr. President, before you need the president, you promise your country peoples, but before you get it, you forget everything. That is the truth I'm talking about. The music of the reggae music. The reggae music from Jamaica. The all Jamaica people from Africa. Listen to me. Listen to me. This is true. Culture. Benny Spear. Beach touch from Africa. Bob Marley, the reggae music leader.